Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about aloe vera once again. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you so much for joining me again. My name is Mashudu. This is my aloe vera plant which is in my garden. All my aloe vera comes from this little guy. I let the latex drip out of the leaves outside before bringing it into the kitchen. Latex is the thick yellow liquid which is found between the gel and the inner rind of the leaf. I'm now washing the leaves to clean out the dirt which is on the leaves. I'm now cutting out the end of the leaf that I will not be able to use and the sharp edges. I'm cutting the leaf into smaller pieces for the blender to easily blend the leaf. This time I decided to use the whole leaf with the skin as I wanted to quickly pre-poo my hair. If you choose to do this, make sure you have thoroughly washed your leaf. I'm blending the leaf without adding anything to it as it becomes a runny liquid once blended, so no additional water needed. Using my stocking to strain the liquid from the pulp to ensure no particles are transferred to my hair. This is essential. Nothing is wasted, so scrape all that juice out of that jug. This is the pulp left behind from one leaf. I'm decanting the aloe vera juice into an applicator bottle for easy application. That's it. I am now done preparing my pre-poo. I got less than 100 milliliters from that juice, but anyway, my hair is very dry at this point, so that is why I opted to do an aloe vera pre-poo rather than an oil pre-poo. Looking at the extent of dryness my hair was in, I really needed the treatment. Aloe vera gel is rich in antioxidants that offer anti-inflammatory, soothing, moisturizing, and protective benefits for the hair. It can be used as it is or in combination with other ingredients for the hair, but this time I opted to use it without any other ingredient. I'm sectioning my hair into two parts and just applying the aloe vera from the ends of my hair to the roots, just imparting moisture into my hair. Already I can see a difference between the two sides. Yeah, the aloe vera just has weighed my hair down to show that it has been moisturized. I think some of the pulp did seep through that stocking, so next time I will use my plastic sieve rather than a stocking. A quick warning, because I used the aloe vera skin, I did experience some slight irritation on my edges and the nape of my hair, which did go away after a few minutes. I gave myself a quick scalp massage and covered my hair with a plastic cap and left it on for about 45 minutes. I then followed up with my African black soap shampoo. See the description box down below for a video on how I prepare it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and click on that post notification bell, like and comment down below. Thank you once again, and I will see you on the next one.